Hey guys, it's Agent A50 here, back with another video, and today we're going to be doing something different. We're going to be making the NHS rainbow out of Hama Beads. We just thought it would be nice to do since they're risking their lives every day to save ours. So, hope you enjoy this video and stay safe. We're going to focus on just the white letters in the NHS logo. So let's get started. As you can see, I've just finished doing the letters of the NHS logo. Each letter is 12 high. If you want to copy this, pause and have a go. After you finish doing the white letters of the NHS logo, you need to do a blue box around the outside, which is one bead further out than each of the letters are. If you want to copy this, pause and have a go. So there you have it. This is the rainbow on top of the NHS logo, which is 9 beads up and got the colours red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. If you want to copy this, pause and have a go. So this is the finished result. It is already been ironed, and when you iron it, make sure you do it on a medium heat and put greaseproof paper so it doesn't burn it. And another thing you can do with this is you see there's a gap in between the rainbow and the logo. You can put like a piece of string or thread and attach it to the front of your house, and that will show that you support the NHS.